Hello, welcome to OBSMT. Today we will introduce the Auto PCBA Brush Cleaning Machine for you. It is used for removing flux, oil, solder base after wheel soldering machine. As we can see, machine uses all stainless steel unique body schedule with long neck span. It with 2 round brush and 2 rolls. Ensure that all directions of these are clean in place without dead angle. Cleaning process is PCB in, brush water clean, round brush clean, brush water clean again, round brush clean, and then PCB out. Outlet with cooling fans, double cleaning. Ensure cleaning quality and free your hands and make complicated things simple. Okay, if you are interested in this machine, welcome to contact us freely.